Welcome to the 10 Minutes Gold Mine, where every book gives you a treasure of knowledge in just 10 minutes. Introduction. Getting Things Done, GTD by David Allen, is a transformative guide that provides readers with a comprehensive system for organizing their tasks, reducing stress, and increasing productivity. First published in 2001, the book has become a classic for anyone looking to master time management and improve personal effectiveness. The core principle behind the GTD method is to capture everything in your life that requires attention, process it, and organize it in a way that enables you to focus on the most important tasks at any given moment. This methodology aims to help you regain control over your work and life by creating a reliable system that allows you to free your mind from the clutter of unprocessed tasks. In this summary, we'll dive deep into the key principles and strategies outlined in the book. These principles are not only designed for individuals looking to improve their work life, but also for anyone seeking a more organized and stress-free approach to daily living. GTD isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter, getting more done, and experiencing greater satisfaction in your accomplishments. Part 1. The 5 stages of GTD. The foundation of getting things done lies in the process of capturing and organizing tasks. David Allen breaks this down into 5 key stages that form the backbone of the GTD system. These stages are: 1. Capture. This is the first and most crucial step in GTD. It involves collecting all the tasks, commitments, and ideas that are floating around in your mind. These can be anything from work tasks to personal goals, to thoughts that might distract you. The idea is to capture everything in a trusted system, whether it's on paper, in a digital app, or a combination of both. 2. Clarify. Once you've captured your tasks, the next step is to clarify what each item means and what action needs to be taken. For example, a simple note like "write email to John" might require a simple action, but "fix the marketing plan" could involve a series of steps. By breaking tasks down into actionable items, you eliminate ambiguity and can proceed with confidence. 3. Organize. The third stage involves placing your clarified tasks into specific categories or lists, such as next actions, projects, someday maybe, or waiting for. This step is essential for maintaining an organized workflow. Tasks that require multiple steps go into the projects list, while tasks that can be completed quickly go into next actions. Organizing also involves setting up a calendar for time-sensitive tasks and an appropriate system for follow-ups. 4. Reflect. Regular reflection is key to keeping your GTD system functioning smoothly. At least once a week, you should review your lists, ensuring that everything is still relevant and that nothing is slipping through the cracks. This weekly review helps to clear up any clutter, identify new priorities, and ensure that you're on track to achieve your goals. 5. Engage. The final step in the process is to take action. Once you've captured, clarified, organized, and reflected on your tasks, the only thing left to do is to engage with them. This means working through your list and focusing on the tasks that are most important at the moment. GTD emphasizes that by following this process, you'll be able to focus on what truly matters and avoid getting bogged down by distractions. Part 2. The importance of getting things out of your head. One of the most powerful aspects of the GTD method is the emphasis on getting everything out of your head. Allen argues that our minds are not designed to remember or track every task. Instead, our brains are meant to process information and solve problems, not to store it all. By capturing every task and thought into a trusted system, we free up mental space, reduce stress, and enhance creativity. This is where Allen introduces the idea of the mind-like-water concept, which is the state you achieve when your mind is free from clutter and you are focused and calm. The metaphor suggests that when you're not constantly trying to remember things, your mind can be calm and responsive, just like water that remains still until disturbed. By using GTD, you can eliminate the mental clutter that prevents you from achieving clarity and focus. Part 3. The power of lists and next actions. In the GTD system, lists play a central role. Lists are how you break down complex projects and ensure that each step is manageable. By clearly identifying the next action for each task, you reduce the overwhelming feeling of having too much to do. Each next action is a small, concrete step that you can take immediately, which makes it easier to stay productive. Alan suggests keeping separate lists for different contexts. For example, you might have a work list for professional tasks, a home list for personal tasks, and a calls list for phone calls you need to make. Having these lists ensures that when you're at work, you can focus on work-related tasks, and when you're at home, you can concentrate on personal tasks. By reducing the mental energy required to figure out what to do next, you improve efficiency and lower stress. Part 4. Projects and the 2-minute rule. Another key component of GTD is the concept of projects. A project in the GTD system is anything that requires more than one action to complete. It can be as simple as organize the closet or as complex as launch new product line. The important part of the system is that each project is broken down into actionable steps, which are captured in your projects list. Alan introduces the 2-minute rule as a way to handle small tasks. If a task can be completed in 2 minutes or less, do it immediately. This avoids the accumulation of small tasks that can take up mental bandwidth and lead to procrastination. By taking action on small tasks right away, you prevent them from piling up and overwhelming you later. Part 5. The weekly review and maintaining your system. One of the most important practices for maintaining the GTD system is the weekly review. This step ensures that you stay on top of your tasks and projects, and that nothing slips through the cracks. Alan emphasizes that the weekly review should be a dedicated time to reflect on everything in your system and make necessary updates. During the weekly review, you should go through each of your lists and ask yourself, is this task still relevant? Do I need to take any action on this? Are there any new projects or commitments to add? This review process helps you maintain clarity and prevents your system from becoming cluttered or outdated. Alan suggests doing this at the same time each week to ensure consistency and to build a habit of maintaining your system. With this regular practice, you will remain in control of your tasks and priorities, reducing stress and keeping your productivity at a high level. Part 6. The benefits of GTD and stress-free productivity. The ultimate benefit of the GTD system is stress-free productivity. By capturing all of your tasks and organizing them in a way that makes sense, you gain clarity about what needs to be done and when. You stop worrying about forgetting something, and instead focus your energy on the tasks that matter most. GTD isn't just about getting things done, it's about achieving a sense of calm and control over your life. Alan's system also promotes a healthy work-life balance. By organizing and processing your work and personal commitments, you can ensure that you're not overcommitting or losing sight of your personal goals. GTD encourages reflection and flexibility, allowing you to adapt your system as your priorities shift. Over time, you'll find that you're able to accomplish more in less time, leaving you with more space for rest, relaxation, and personal growth. Conclusion: GTD as a lifestyle. In conclusion, getting things done offers a comprehensive system that anyone can use to improve productivity, reduce stress, and regain control over their life. David Allen's approach encourages a structured yet flexible method for organizing tasks, with an emphasis on simplicity, clarity, and action. The GTD system doesn't require you to work harder or longer. It focuses on working smarter and achieving a higher level of organization, focus, and effectiveness. For those struggling with overwhelming to-do lists, distractions, and competing priorities, GTD provides a reliable framework for achieving goals and managing commitments. By following the 5 stages of GTD: capture, clarify, organize, reflect, and engage, you can transform how you approach work and life. With regular practice and maintenance, the GTD method can become a powerful tool for creating a more productive, organized, and stress-free existence. What steps of the GTD method have you found most helpful in organizing your tasks and reducing stress? Have you tried the weekly review? And if so, what impact has it had on your productivity? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. That's it for today's 10 Minutes Gold Mine. If you find value in this, don't forget to like and subscribe. We upload +5 videos each day. Lastly, if you have any book in mind that you want to listen to, feel free to type the name in the comments. See you in the next one.